So today we're taking a quick look at a 10-inch selfie ring light. This is perfect for YouTube, perfect for TikTok, vlogging, or anything else you may be shooting with your phone. But I actually have plans to use it with my camera. Just haven't got to it, haven't tried it out yet. So look, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever we have a new video coming out. Today we're taking a quick look at a 10-inch selfie ring light. This light is perfect for YouTube, TikTok, vlogging, or just about anything else you shoot with your phone or camera. I have plans on using it with my camera. It's easy to assemble, comes with everything you need. Has a stand, USB connection with a long cord. It's got a ball head for easy connection, for easy controllability. It's got the phone stand itself. The ring light comes with a tripod stand and adjustable ball head for versatility, plus a universal phone holder. Really nice light, works great. If you'd like to try one, it's a great price. Just click the link below to go straight to it. And just FYI, I will get a small fee for the sale, and that's how we're able to keep the channel open. It features a 3-color temperature setting with warm light, yellow light, and white light, and also has 10 different brightness levels. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when a new review comes out. And this is LE About It Productions and Easy Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching.